Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Ace 3, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to press the power button and the volume up at the same time. Let's try that again. Oh. I guess it's just power button. Oh, yep, it looks like it's just power button. I guess it makes sense considering there is no Google here on this phone, as this is the Chinese version. Global one, you might need to press power and volume up. Anyway, let's just bring that back up. So once you have your boot options visible, swipe down to turn off your device. And after a moment when it turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. Let me just take the case off of it, as it's a little bit easier to press these buttons without it. So, power, volume down, and when you see the OnePlus logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Now, next thing you will see is language selection, so just tap on the language that you wish to use. For me, that will be English, and this presents us with the recovery mode with technically only one recovery mode option, which is the format data, aka factory reset of the entire device. The two other modes or options, reboot device and power off, are just two different ways of leaving the recovery mode. So I'll select reboot device and confirm it at the bottom, which will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.